Magic 89.9.
No, I can hear.
Basta as long as you can feel it. You know?
Yeah.
But did you ever think, did it ever arise to you na it would reach this type of popularity, your song? Kasi Second Chance now has about 50,000 streams, yeah? Tapos sa amin naman, it has been one of the most requested songs, and now your newest song has
200 plus.
doubled, quadrupled, tripled.
Yeah.
Not good at math.
5 times.
Yeah,
5.
oo. Sobrang ang dami na ring streams. And as an independent artist, how does that make you feel? Did you always expect your music
No,
to
because
come to this?
I started recording together with him back in 2021. That was the Sabihin
Yung first
single,
song
the first
niyo.
song,
Ah.
yes. And after that, I thought na mahirap talaga i-market kapag independent ka.
Oo.
So, after we released that song, hindi na kami nag-expect. And now, yung Second Chance, kasi before Second Chance, we had 2 single. But it didn't do good. Pero itong Second Chance, so we made it, and then hindi kami nag-expect or anything. Kasi same sa dalawang songs na parang wala lang. We put it there, we put it out there, and dun lang siya. Parang we didn't know kung i-market namin sure or what. Kaya nung na request siya sa radyo, talagang ano siya, ibang pakiramdam. Parang ganito pala yung pakiramdam. Parang famous na pala ako. Joke lang.
As someone who has like a million followers combined all over social media.
Joke lang. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, parang iba to, this is something new. Pero ako lang, hindi lang to para sa akin kasi siya din talaga yung behind the song. Siya yung nag-produce. Ako
Siya yung kinukwento mo sa akin.
Oo, nag-co-write lang ako sa kanta. Ako nag-concept, ganun. I wanna return to music. So I wanna give my dreams another chance. And siya yung reach out ko. So dapat siyang explain.
Kasi tama, diba? It was Sabihin was like 2021.
Yes.
So it took like around 4 to 5 years before making Second Chance, and this was like yung second chance for the both of you to like, you know what, medyo mahina engagement with the previous one. Let's try this again. Paano ka napilit ni June? Or ikaw ba nagpilit kay June?
Siya.
Oh, pinilit mo siya? Sumagot ka.
Yeah, lagi kasi yung nagre-reach out na though focus kami sa ibang work sa day job namin, and di pa rin namin kinakalimutan ng music, and patuloy pa rin kaming hinahabol ng music. And for releasing ng music, gusto ko talagang nag-invest kay June kasi nakita ko yung talent, nakita ko yung passion, and then nakita ko na hardworking talaga siya pagdating sa music.
Pero before that kasi, lagi siyang nag-reach out sa akin, nagawa tayo ng music. Ako lang lagi lang ako, sige G, ganun lang G. Kasi nga wala pa ako dun sa momentum na gusto ko na ulit bumalik.
Hinahanap mo pa yung groove.
Yun. And then after that, sabi ko, sige gawa tayo ng something na mag-connect naman sa audience na yun nga, giving yourself another chance. So sabi ko, kasi ito nang gawa tayo ng song about giving yourself another chance or another second giving yourself a second chance. Ayun.
Tama naman, second chance.
John Lloyd tsaka si Bey.
Okay, but anyways, from your old song, Second Chance, now you have a new one, Pag Masaya Na Ako. How did you guys' partnership work towards making this new song again? Kasi I'm sure there's a little bit of pressure na parang, oh no, nakikita na ako ng tao, totoo na talaga to, may pinatutunguan na yung pangarap ko, totoo na. Paano siya nag-blossom into something, into the song?
I did the conceptualizing of the song kasi aside from doing music, I do like advising on social media. And a part of it, maraming mga nagko-comment regarding sa love situation nila. And laging ganun. Yung mga, yung partner nila, narcissistic daw, or narcissist, ganun daw. And also, kasi, isa rin sa story kasi niya, dati.
Punta ko si booking, ba't mo binuking?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Hindi, joke lang. Okay lang.
Sa live talaga.
Pero, meron kasi akong, ito na lang. Meron kasi akong close friend na,
Hindi siya yun.
Itago na lang.
Meron akong close friend na parang timely sa kanya na nagkaroon siya ng girlfriend, tapos yung girlfriend niya medyo ganun nga din, kung mismo ano yung nasa song, ganun talaga, yung mag-reach out lang kapag may kailangan or kapag basta parang ganun sa friend ko. So parang conceptualize ko na ganun yung song. Ganun yung atake ng kanta.
At
So-
okay lang naman sa friend mong yan na alam na ng buong
Oh.
bayan yung kwento.
So, okay lang sa kanya yun.
200 streams naman, pre.
Oo nga, 200 streams naman eh. Kaya yun, na-concept namin, tapos support naman siya. Tapos ang when I write songs kasi, hindi siya natatapos agad-agad.
Yeah.
So, siya yung tagatapos.
Naglilinis, ikaw yung nag-clean up.
Siya yung
ano.
naglilinis, siya yung nagpo-produce and all.
Kayo as a band, is this the first time you've performed with June? Like dito sa, or may iba pang instances na kasama niyo si June mag-perform?
First practice din.
Yun yung funny story. Doon ako nagulat. Today was the first practice you had for tonight, right?
Yes.
Pero di nyo naman first time magkakilala,
Hindi
no?
naman. Kasi we decided to practice nung isang araw. Kaso na umulan,
Oh.
lakas ng bagyo. So, we canceled it. And then, ito na lang, parang bahala na. Ito na lang dito kasi once in a lifetime to eh. Magic 89.9 na yan, no? So,
Kami lang naman. Grabe naman.
So, kami lang doon.
so, ayun. And then, okay naman. Kahit may mga pumalya, but then, ganun talaga. Enjoy na lang. Enjoy.
Parang hindi ko napansin eh.
Pero sila napansin nila yun. Mamaya pag-uusapan nila yan sa kotse.
Actually, mag-aaway kami mamaya.
Tapos gagawa niya na kanta. Okay, before we close things off, what can people expect next from you? Or from the both of you? Kasi collaborative na to at this point.
Expect something expect na we're gonna make more songs, original songs, and together with them, together with Rustic Prophets. So we are going to be awesome. Yun na lang. Wala na ako masabi.
What is in the prospects? What is the new theme na gusto mong pagsulatan ng kanta
Love
ngayon?
pa rin ba or ano naman?
Ano nga yung ginawa natin, bro? May ginagawa kami pero ano pa lang siya on the process. Pero may ginagawa kami.
Nasa demo pa lang kami.
Demo pa. Ano nga? It's about what?
It's about kapag napapagod na tayo, we always naghahanap tayo ng source na lagi natin hinahanap sa sarili natin. Pero kahit anong gawin natin, hindi natin mahanap sa sarili natin yung kapahingahan.
Ba't may pag-aano sa likod? May pag
Burnout. So parang burnout
sa
ba? Ganun?
Exactly.
Yes.
Burnout.
Yan, nababurnout ka. And then how would you cope up with
Oo.
that situation?
So self-help pa rin siya. Yan, kailangan mo rin yan, pre.
Ay,
Yan.
Akala ko sila yung...
Hindi kasi gagawin sila eh.
Bakit
Para lang,
dito?
ito na lang intern niya.
Ikaw ba yung friend ni June?
Okay, but thank you so much, you guys, for coming on to the show. And before we let you go, let the listeners know where they can find you, invite them to listen to your music, and if you have any gigs coming up, the floor is yours.
yung ano? Ikaw na?
Jacob.
Ikaw, bro. Yung ano, bro? Yung ano?
O sige, kami na.
June Sisa po, if you guys wanna listen to our original songs, just June Sisa on Spotify or YouTube, and yun po. And meron po kaming ginagawang baka dito na rin, sabihin mo na, bro.
Go. Game.
So,
Ito na yun eh.
Meron kami ginagawang indie recording na event, na live recording, and it's called Huni. It's basically to support indie artists, lalo na yung mga hindi nabibigyan ng attention currently. So gagamitin namin siyang platform para magbigay ng
Angat ng
and with a quality recording as well. We'll try to use our resources, whatever we have, para mabuo yung platform na to. Yeah. This coming September.
Nice. It's giving back to the community as well then. Oh, ang galing.
Oh, because we know how hard it is to be an independent artist na walang nag-lift sa'yo kundi kayo lang.
Oo.
So,
Tayo na lang nagtutulungan eh, no?
Kasama ka doon? Indie artist ka din?
Hindi mo alam? Kaya nga eh.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Do you guys want to shout out or say hello to anybody?
Shoutout sa mama ko na nagpapagaling sa bahay, and sa papa ko, and kay Irene sa bahay. Ingat kayo dyan.
yan. Sa mga cesareans po, sa pagpatuloy na pagsusupport sa akin at sa amin, maraming salamat.
Yeah. Shout out sa families namin and friends and whoever na nag-support sa amin. Sa mga work din namin na nag-support para makatugtog kami dito.
Yan po. Mahihain sila.
Oh, sino hi mo?
Hello lang daw.
Shout out sa mga student ko.
Oh.
Open notes bukas.
nandun sa quiz.
You're welcome nga pala sa mga estudyante nito. Okay, thank you so much, you guys, for coming on to the show. We truly appreciate it. Keep continuing to stream their music, June Sisa, everywhere. And as well as over here on Magic 89.9, you can request their songs as well. Night Live will be back in just a bit, right after these Moneymakers.
Magic 89.9.